Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ranjana ma'am. Yes, we'll start the prayer. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tashme Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay, children, sit straight, be very attentive. Okay, now math session is going to start. Shine ma'am will be starting with math session. Okay, yes, Shine ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, my dear children. Here goes the max subject. Max subject. Yes, the max is a marvelous. Yes, and fun. Yes, we are going to find fun in the max. Okay, yes, are you ready, my dear children? So let's have a fun. Yes, and here it goes. Yes, and today we are going to start our max class with interesting fun facts of max. Okay, the fact number one. Yes, now here is the fact number one about the mathematics. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, this is a one of the interesting fact. You know that abacus is considered as the calculator. Yes, my dear children, abacus is considered as the origin of calculator. Yes, in the ancient days, we won't have calculator. You know, that time what they are using. Okay, in olden days means I am talking about when kids was there and before the computer started. Okay, I think you have seen the computers, but when your parents age, okay, when your parents are very small, they are in school, that time and all, they won't have, we won't have, okay, computers and calculator. Okay, then what device we are using, you know? Yes, abacus. And now also abacus is used. Yes, you can learn about the abacus. Same, it will work as a calculator. Yes, my dear children. Yeah, nowadays how you are calculating things? You can, yes, you can write the answer in the chat box. What are the devices you are using for calculating things? You will get calculator in your phone itself, in your, yes, laptop. Yes, your and even the calculator itself you are having. Yeah. Yes, my dear children. Yes. So you, yes, desktop, laptop. Yes, and even the calculator itself you are having nowadays. Yes, for calculating. So calculation means what? You know about calculation? Calculation means, what is the meaning of calculation, my dear children? Anyone can tell me? Yes, you can unmute and tell anyone. Yes, add. Very good. Yes, my dear children. Be in mute only. Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All these are called calculation. And numbers. Yes, very good, children. Very good. Yes, ma'am. Big too smart. Yes, ma'am. So you got an idea about the fact one. Yes, now we are going to move to the next fact. Yes, the fact number two. Here goes the fact number two. Let's see what is interesting thing is there in this fact number two. Yes, here goes. Yeah, yes, here is that. Zero is the only zero is the only number that can be that cannot be represented in Roman numerals. You know about Roman numerals, my dear children? Yes, Roman numerals. You are, yes, where you are writing Roman numerals. Roman number one, Roman number two. Yes, the Roman numbers are starting from the one. Yes, in your assessment you have seen question papers. Very good. And yeah, yes, in exam question papers, correct. And while you are writing classwork, English classwork, maths classwork, yes, and Tamil. Yes, Hindi class works. When you are writing, you will start from Roman number one. Roman number one, A, B, C, like that, or Roman number one, one, two, three, like that. Yes, in maths, English, Tamil, Hindi class works. Whenever you are writing class works, you will write with the first Roman number one. Write the dictation words. Write the second Roman, write the rhyming words. Yes. Yes. So the Roman numbers are starting from 1 and it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think all many of the students they know about the Roman numbers, how to write. Yes. Yes. But in Roman numbers, 0 is not there. Okay. We will start from the 1 only. No 0 in the Roman letters. Yes. We will start from the 1 only. Okay. Yes. Got it, my dear children? So it is also one of the interesting facts. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Next. Yes. Now move on to the next. Yeah, here goes the fact number 3. Yeah. So here is one of the interesting, very, very interesting fact. That is fact number 3. Yes. Do you know zero was invented in India by Aryabhatta? Yes. He is a yes astrology and a mathematician. Yes, he is a very great mathematician in the ancient time. Yes, okay, yeah. And yeah, Aryabhatta is the person who has identified about the that zero is also one of the number. Yes, he only identified about the tens, ones. Okay, with adding zero, it will become, if you add zero after one, it will become 10. The value of 1 will become big if you add two zeros. Yes, after the 1, the number will become, what is the number? You can use the chat box. Yes, 100 is, what is that number? If with 1 we are going to join two zeros, the number is 100. Yes. So the value of zero becomes more. Yes. So whenever the zero is coming after any number, the zero value will become, yes, important. Okay. Yes. So, and this all has been identified by the Aryabhatta. Okay, my dear children. Yes. So it's a very fun and interesting thing. Yes, and even Aryabhatta has identified about our solar system. You know what is solar system, my dear children? Solar system, yes, about the 7 planets. Yes, the sun is also one of the planet. Aryabhatta only recognized. Yes, and it's in O circle, and our Earth is in sphere shape. He only recognized many things he has found. Yes, and many mathematics in the higher classes you are going to study about many things, geometry, Pythagoras, all that things you are going to study. That all is recognized by the Aryabhatta. Yes, and even about the planets also. Okay, and he is a very great astrologer also. Yes, astronomy. Yeah. Okay, so many interesting things are there about Aryabhatta. So some other day we will discuss. Yes, he is a very great person. Okay, now let's move on to our some of the maths practicing some. Yes, we are going to have bridge course. Yes, we are going to recall what you have studied in your previous classes. Yes, my dear children. So let's start. Yes, ma'am. So here goes. Yes, here is the numbers. Yes, my dear. So I'm going to read the number and one number is missing. Yes. And you have to find that number, the missing number. Here goes. Yes, I'm going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After that, the number is missing. After 10, what is the number? Yes, many of them they are using chat box. Very good, my dear children. Yes, very good, good. Yes, 11 is the answer. Missing number is the 11. Well done. Yes, here is the answer. 11 is the answer. 1 second. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. Well done, my dear. And here goes a big star for everyone. Many of them they are giving the answers. And you are following the rules, muting yourself and giving the answer. Well done, my dear. Now, here I want to give explanation about the just yes, not about the explanation. Just I want to recall the numbers. Okay, so all of you just come and recall the numbers up to 100. Yes, after 11, what the number will come? 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the number is 20. Yes, my dear children, here comes. So, this is the after 9. The number is changing. What is that number? 20. Yes, the 9 is the typical number. After that, 20 will come. Then what comes? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and the typical number 29. After that 29, the new number comes. That is 30. Yes. Then now let's move on to the fourth line. Yes, here we go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. After 39, the number change and the number is 40. Yes, the number is 40. Yes, now here we will go for the 40 sequence. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. The typical number 49. Here change. After 49, the change of number. The number is 50. Yes. Yes. So you are identifying? Yes. Whenever the 9 is coming, the number is going to change. Yes. The next number is 50. Yes. Now we are going to start the 50 series. Yes. Now comes 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Yes. Very typical number 59. After 59, the number change. That is the number 60. Yes. Mute yourself. Yes. Yes, absolutely right, my dear children. Well done. Now the 60 series numbers will come. Yes, here we go. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Yes. Here goes. After 69, the new number starts. That is 70. Yes, my dear. Here goes the 70 series. Now, let's move to the 70s. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Here goes the new number. That is 80. Yes, my dear. So here is the number, new number 80. Now we are going to the 88 series. Yes, here goes. 80s. Yes. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. After the number 89, the number changed. Yes, the number changed to 90. 90, 90. Yes. Here is the 90. Now the 90 series started. Yes. So repeat with me, my dear children. All of you join with me. Mute yourself and repeat with me. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. And here is the number. Double nine, 99, 99. Yes, 99. The number is, yes. What is the number? Yes, 100. The number is 100. Yes, my dear. So one of the important thing, yes, the first line is having all one number, that is called what we will call this all these numbers. First line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 number is come under one digit. Will come under one digit number. Then from 10 to 99 will come under, you can use the chat box, my dear children. Use the chat box. 10 to 99 come under digit numbers, two digit number, and the 100 is in the 100 is the three-digit number. Yes. So from 100, the three-digit number will start. Okay, my dear children. Yes. So 100 is the three-digit number. Three numbers are there. So it is called as three-digit number. Okay. So the numbers which are having only one-digit number. Two numbers, then two-digit number. And the number three starts from 100. Yes, my dear children. Got it? Yes, well done. Very good. Let's move on to the next. Yes, ma'am. Yes, here is the next practicing sum. Let's move on to the next. Yes. Yeah, which number is missing from the number line? You can see here, number line is there and there are some numbers. The number is starting from 24. After that, next number is 25. After that, which number is going to come? Use the chat box.
26.
Yes, mute yourself, my dear children. Kindly mute. Yes, the number is 26. Absolutely right. So here it goes. You have to write 26. Superb, my dear children. And everyone is going to get star. Here is the star. Yes. Here is the star for everyone. Many of them they are using chat box. Well done, my dear children. Yes, 26. After 26, the number comes is 27, then 28, 29. 29, the typical number, keep it in mind. Yes, the dangerous and horrible number, 9 number. So be careful. After 9, the number will change. So after 29, the number change is 30. Yes, then we go 31, 32, 33. Yes. So like that. Yes, my dear children. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Next. Yes. Here goes. One more practicing some. Yes, my dear. So here is the number line. One more number line. Which number is missing from the number line? Yes, here we go. Yes, many of them they are using chat box. Very good, my dear. I can see many answers. Oh, well done, well done. Yes, here it goes. Okay, the first number is 13, then comes 14, 15, 16, 17, and after 17, the number is, yes, 18. After 18, 19. Yes, 19, horrible, terrible, dangerous number. And after 19, the new number comes. Yes, keep it in mind. The new number, 20. Yes. Then 21, 22. Yes, here it goes. Well done, my dear children. So you are identifying the numbers correctly. Well done. And here is the star for everyone. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Next. Yes, here is the sum of the very interesting sum. Yes, observe the number and here is the sum boxes. Yes, so yes,
Ma'am, 7 minus 4. 3.
mute my dear
Yes.
children, kindly mute. Yes, here is the number 7. That means here how many boxes are there? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes there. In that 7 box, how many boxes are there and how many boxes are missing? Yes. So in that, how many boxes removed? How many boxes we removed? We have done crossed. One, two, three, and four. 4 boxes removed. So then how many it is remaining now? We are having 3. Yes, my dear children, all are absolutely right. Yes, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Very good. Yes, ma'am. Next. Yes, my dear children, here is the small train. Yes, when they say train, some missing numbers are there. So let's move on fastly and do it. Already, you know. Yes, the first train is having the box. Yes, 16. After 16, the number is 17. Then comes 18. Yes, now move on to the next box. 25. 25. After 25, the number comes is 25. Then comes number
26.
6. And then 27. Well done, my dear children. Next box is down 67, 68, and then comes the terrible number. The number is, mute yourself, my dear. Yes. Next, the first box is empty. Then before 74, the number is 73, 73, 74, 75. Now let's move on to this train. 37, then comes 38, 39. Yes, and here is the engine. Yeah, what is that? 41, 42. Before 41, the number is 40. Yes, next. 89, then the next number is 90. Then comes 91. Yes, here. 34. Before 34, the number is 33. After 34, the number is 35. Yes, my dear children, well done. Yes, very good. Many of the answers in the chat box. Well done. And here is a big star for everyone. Yes. Well done, my dear children. Yes, ma'am. Next. Yes, here goes the tree. Yes, here is the tree, and tree is having some fruits. So let's do it. How many total fruits in two trees together? The first one is done for you. Here is the three fruit, and here is the two. Three plus two. How many total fruits? Five. So let's do it next. Here is the first tree is having four, and the second tree is having three. So total fruits are seven. Yes. Next. Yes, here is the 2 and here is the 5 fruits. So 5 plus 2 is equal to how much? 7. Yes. Yes, absolutely right, my dear children. Well done. And here counts how many fruits are there? The last tree. 1, 2, 3, and 4 fruits are there in the tree. And we are going to add, and the second tree is also having 1, 2, 3, and 4 fruits. Yeah, so how many? 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to how many? 8 fruits. Yes. Well done. Star for you. Yes, ma'am. Next. Yes, star for everyone. Ma'am has given the star for you. Yes. Big applause for you all. And here goes the puzzle, my dear children. Yes, one of the interesting puzzle. So let's do it. Yes, you can see here orange box is there, circles. Yes, you have to put the number in that circle. In the circle so that each straight line of three numbers add up to the same total. Yes, you can take the two numbers and add and make it the total should be same. Okay, so we are going to suppose we are going to take all these seven numbers are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 numbers. Okay, now seven, this seven we are taking this time, this seven we are taking in a circle. Okay, in the middle of the circle. Okay, so yes. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to add the first two numbers, see, which will make 7. So, you take first number from here, 1, and from here, 6. 1 plus 6 will make how much? 7. So, you can write in the first box, 1 here, and the 6 here. Yes, 1 and 6. Yes, so 7. 1 plus 7 is 7 plus 7 is equal to how many? Total of this box is how much? 1 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 14. Yes, one line we have successfully completed. Now let's move on to the next box. Okay, so let's do it next. Here is the number. Number is 2. We will take 2 and 5. 2 and 5 will make 7. So let's write down the straight line. We will write in the box. Yes, we will write here 2 and the next same straight line we are going to write 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 7 is equal to how much, my dear children? Yes, the total is 14. Got it? Yes, this line also become 14. Very good. Now let's do the next one. Yes, the next number is, the remaining number is 3 and 4. Yes, now do it. 3 plus 4 is equal to how much? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we will write in the middle. Okay. Yes. So let's write down 3 in this box and this box. So 3 plus 7. Yes, now we are going to add all these numbers. 3 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to how much? 14. Yes. So we got the number 14. Yes. So anywhere in the circle, if you add, you will get 14, the straight line. Yes. So it's an interesting puzzle. Yes. Yes, my dear children. You can use another number also, and you can. Yes. So this puzzle, yes. Yes. Here you can see the answer. Yes, my dear children. The same thing. Yes. 1 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 14. Yes. So here the answer. And the answer we are getting, the total is 14. Yes. So whatever we are going to add, we will get 14. Yes, my dear children. So you can see here all the numbers. 1 plus 7 plus 6. You will get 14. Okay. And you can add in this way also. Or you can add like this side also. This side 1 plus 7 plus 6, or you can add 6 plus 7 plus 1. You will get the same number 14. Here also if you total, you will get 14. Yes. And if you are doing the same thing, 2 plus 7 plus 5, you will get this side also 14, and right side also 14, and the left side also you will get 14 total of this line. Okay, so same way this side also 3 plus 7 plus 4. This side also you will get 14, and here also you will get the upside and the downside, both the sides you will get 14. Yes, now you got an idea. I hope so. You got an idea about this puzzle. Now, instead of 7 in the middle, you can use some other number also, and you can make the total, all the circle, different numbers from 1, 2, 3, and you can do, yes, you can do it and make it equal. Yes. So, what we are going to do in next class, we are going to see how you are going to make with the other number. Now this we have used the 7. Yes. So now in the next class you have to show and tell how to solve this puzzle with the other number. Yes. Now here is the one more number. Let's do it. 1 is there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. I will tell you with
Vidya,
one
ma'am?
how you do. Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. See, we will write
Yes.
1 in the middle. Okay, 1 I have done. Yes, we have to write the rest of the numbers now. 1 we had already done. So what is left? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 and 7, right? So what I'm doing,
Why?
and
Why is not audible, ma'am? Voice is slow, ma'am.
okay, Kanna. Now okay?
Okay, Vidya. Now students, please mute, ma'am.
Otherwise, I will send the lobby.
Here I'm writing 2
You continue.
and 7 will be there, right? So I'm writing 7 here. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are the numbers, right? We had taken 1 in the center. I'm pairing 2 and 7 now. I'm writing 2 in one circle. In the same straight line, the opposite side, I'm writing 7. Okay? Just add up and say me in the chart. What is the answer? 2 plus 1 plus 7. 2 plus 1? 3. Yes? 3 plus 7? 10. So, we got the straight line as 10. Now, try for the other combination. Try for the other numbers and write in the same straight line. You know the straight line, right? I am going to fill for the straight line. Yes? Shall we do? What is the next number we am having? 3, right? So I am taking this and this. 3 and 6. 3 here and 6 here. Just add it and tell the answer in the chart. 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes? Very good. 4 plus 6 is 10. So, I got this straight line also 10. Yes? Now, what is left? This straight line, right? What is the numbers left? 4 and 5. So, we will write 4 and 5 and see whether it is correct or not. 4 here and 5 here. Now add up.
4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. இப்ப
Yes,
எப்படி 10 வருது புரியுதா?
Parents, mute yourself and then tell. Thank you. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 5 is there. Right? So 4 plus
10 தான் வருது.
எப்படி ஆட் பண்ணாலும் 10.
yes. Yusuf Khanna. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Right? The same way, this puzzle is having one more answer. You just try that and show us in the next session. Yes? You have to use the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes? And then you can arrange any number. You can put one number in the center circle. Then write the pair numbers in the opposite circles. Okay? The same way you have to do. Shall we try? Will you all do it?
Yes, my dear children. So, wait for the next class. Okay. Yes, here is the puzzle. Okay. Draw like this circle and take some number. Yes, 1 to 7 and 8. Yes. Okay.
Okay, dear. Have a great day.
Yes, my dear
You all
children.
enjoyed your class. Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh, very good, children. Big applause to you. You are all following the online class rules. So we are very happy. Yes. And one more time, welcome to the grade 2. So yes, my dear children, regular attendance is very important. All the students must has to attend the class regularly. Okay. Yes. And please write your name with the section, okay, so that we can mark attendance to you. Okay, my dear children, attendance is compulsory. Yes, and children, be attentive. Yes, the next class will be, we can call any student, so be ready. Okay, any student has to come and solve the sums. Okay.